Hi there, I'm Flint. Today I'm going to tell you more about 3D printing. Before we start, what can you tell me about 3D printing? Is it something fancy and new? What's it being used for? Is it dangerous? Do I need to be a computer god and code a program to have a printer working? I will try my best to answer all these questions and all the other questions that you may or may not have about 3D printing. Where shall I start? Well, it all started back in the year 1860. Yes, you are reading that right. The photosculpting method was created, which captured the three dimensions of an object using cameras surrounding the object. Does that sound familiar? Of course, over the years this theory evolved and changed. The first actual working 3D printer was created in 1984, which used a special liquid which we call a photopolymer, at which a laser is then pointed to make it harden. Over the years we were starting to use different materials like plastic wire or powders. Now we are gonna fast forward a bit. In 2002, the first printed miniature kidney was produced. 2009 is the year that the first company to produce 3D printers for an affordable price was born. Now people could use 3D printers at home. Basically, all you had to do was make a 3D sketch on your computer and then connect it to the 3D printer like you would do with any normal printer. Before this, 3D printing was only used in an industrial setting. 3D printing is also used to print 3D prosthetic legs, blood vessels, and even cars. That's a bit about the history and some applications about 3D printing. At this point in time, 3D printing is used in almost every industry that you can think of. Toys are being printed by us at our homes that we created ourselves. Talking about homes, did you know that the largest and most expensive 3D printer is used exactly for that? Printing homes. You can build so many things with a 3D printer, the list is practically endless. So, all in all, we can say that 3D printing is really helping us out. But what about the dangers? I'm pretty sure you can think of some, right? There are already cases where people have used 3D printers to print their own weapons like guns. The law against these weapons isn't really here yet.